Hey guys, it's Kevin from Crunch TV. I'm here at Anime North with.
Hi, I'm Shuzu.
And I see you're cosplaying Miku today. What made you decide to cosplay Miku?
It's a good question. So it's like because this costume is Miku's 15th anniversary costume, so it's happening recently. So yeah, that's why.
Okay, I mean that's fair enough. How are you enjoying the con so far?
It's great. Like so many people here. Amazing. Yeah,
Okay.
the weather is cool.
And I guess what's your favorite anime?
My favorite anime. Let's say Magical Girl Madoka.
Solid choice.
Do you know? Do you know what?
Yeah, that's a good choice. I mean, hey, it's a good anime, honestly.
Cool. Yeah, it is.
Okay, and if you have any social media, you can feel free to share it.
Oh yeah, sure. So like my Instagram is Shuzi SHUZI _Harpseal. So HARPSEAL. Yeah. Dream it, make it, become it.
All right, thank you very much.